Tonight with President Biden's response to the Supreme Court's presidential immunity ruling. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Russ Spencer.
I'm Courtney Bryant. President Biden condemned the ruling in a public address tonight. In a 6-3 decision, the justices ruled presidents have absolute immunity for official acts they perform while in office. It means former President Trump could claim immunity from criminal prosecution for some of his actions in the federal election interference case.
Mr. Trump reacted to the ruling on social media today, calling it, quote, a big win for our Constitution and democracy. Earlier tonight, President Biden warned the office's power now solely rests with the man or woman who holds it.
This nation was founded on the principle that there are no kings in America. Each of us is equal before the law. No one is above the law, not even the President of the United States.
Big question tonight about how today's landmark Supreme Court ruling on presidential immunity will impact the former president's prosecution here in Georgia.
Some legal scholars in Georgia say the new standard will change but not completely sink former President Trump's RICO indictment in Fulton County. At the core is whether the former president's lawyers can successfully argue that he was acting in his official capacity as president when he tried to change the election results in Georgia.
The special counsel can't point to the president's motive. That's not something that can come into play. The action is either going to be sort of official or not official.
Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee will have to go through each of the former president's 10 alleged felonies and figure out whether any of them are now void. Mr. Trump's RICO indictment has been at a standstill as the courts decide whether DA Fani Willis should be removed from the case. That has to be sorted out first. We have a complete breakdown of what today's Supreme Court ruling means nationally and locally on the Fox 5 News app. You can also find more on fox5atlanta.com.